All right, in this video, I'm going to break down how you can make your first $1,000 detailing cars, and this can be done within 2 weeks. You don't need any experience, no prior skills, you don't need business skills, you don't need a website, you don't need paid ads, you don't even need a social media profile to go out and make your first $1,000 detailing cars. And you can do this within your first week. I'm going to say 14 days just to ensure that this is catering to everyone. Some people have full-time jobs, but you can do this very easily with the methods I'm about to teach you. So stick to the end of this video so that you have a full understanding of what you actually need to do to go out and make your first $1,000. So this isn't a get rich quick scheme, okay? This isn't any sort of online SMMA business we're starting, like the trend right now. This is a real life practical business that I'm going to teach you how to start and how to actually generate money from day one, okay? This is a raw video. I'm not going to have any flashy effects. There's no, insane editing, high production value, okay? This is real business information here, okay? If you want to go and watch satisfying videos on how to detail a car or, cleaning a car, go and watch The Detail Geek or, those other social media influencers who just post satisfying content. This is a real business that we're starting. I just want to give you real raw information on how you can actually go and earn your first $1,000, okay? If you want to go and watch animations, go and watch Cartoon Network, all right? So let's get into it. So you're probably wondering, like, who am I? Why should you listen to me? Well, I've started 3 separate car detailing businesses, okay? And I've grown each one of them to over 100K within the first year, okay? So it's safe to say that I do know what I'm doing. And this isn't just true for myself, okay? I've helped countless others grow their car detailing businesses, scaling them above $10,000 per month. Look, I've built an online profile with over 1 million followers total, okay? I know how to build these online social media profiles as well as build practical businesses to go with it, okay? Here are some of the results that I've been getting for some of my students, right? So look at this here. We had Gabriel. He quoted a customer $650. They were so impressed they paid him $700. That's one client. That's almost $1,000 that this video is about, okay? Making that first initial $1,000. Tanner secured an awesome week. He secured his second and third clients for the school holidays. That's 3 clients that he's got, in his first week. Gabriel, this is the same Gabriel. He earned $1,200 in his first week, surpassing that $1,000 mark, that $1,000 goal that we want to aim for, okay? Insane. The client was super happy. Another guy, one of my students here, thanks for showing your videos to the world. It made me start a detailing company. He made $1,200 Canadian in his first week, okay? And he's booked out. He has 12 more bookings for the rest of the week. Guys, this works. We're building a real life business here, okay? A real life business. Booked 2 just now. Thanks, mate. Absolute legend. Danny's did $800 in one day. Okay, he did $800 in one day. All I'm trying to help you is try to reframe your brain and your mind to see the value in this and to see, the potential that a car detailing business can do. Bailey made $1,000 in his first week. Just want to say huge thanks. First week detailing, and I've made close to $1,000. Couldn't have done it without your course. All right. So I have a program where I help these clients one-on-one, and I help them achieve real results in a small amount of time, okay? Like I said, you're building a real tangible business, okay? This is not some online digital business. You're just chasing the dragon. This is not some get-rich-quick scheme, all right? You're out there. You're doing it for real with people. You're building relationships. You're earning money. You're delivering a service that is highly valuable, okay, to both you and the clients, okay? People value their cars. Now, just to show you that this is a growing industry, just because some of you may be like, oh, there's too much competition out there already. Detailers showing up on every street corner. How am I going to compete? Okay? Or there's not enough to go around. Well, let me just enlighten you a little bit, okay? This is a growing industry. Now, here's an article, okay, from Fortune Business Insights the global car detailing service market size was valued at USD $33 billion in 2022. Guys, $33 billion in 2022. And it is projected to grow from USD 35 billion in 2023, okay, the year just gone, to $50 billion in 2030. Okay, so that's a compounded annual growth return of 5.4% over the next 6 to 7 years. This is huge, all right? This is huge. This is not going anywhere, okay? Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Most homes have 2 cars, okay? Most households in the US have 2 cars per household, okay? Have a look outside your window and look how many houses are on your street, right? There is an infinite number of vehicles and clients that you can be servicing and making money, okay? Starting this business. And you know what's even better about this type of business is people are so accessible and everybody understands they need a clean car. Everybody hates a dirty car. Nobody wants to be in a dirty car, okay? People value a clean and tidy and protected vehicle, all right? And that's why this business thrives. That's why this business does so well, okay? Because the results are, you can see the results of a clean car. All right, so let's put a bit more logic into this, okay? Into this video. I'm going to explain some numbers, right? All we need is 5 cars at $200 per car, right? That equals $1,000. If our goal is to get to $1,000, we want to earn $1,000 cash in 14 days. We only need 5 cars, okay? If one household has 2 cars, there's a possibility that you only need to visit, 2 or 3 different households, okay? Or 3 or 4 different households, right? Okay, we only need to find 5 people that will pay $200 for a detail, okay? Now, the first people you can start with, the first clients that you're going to reach out to, or the first prospects, are your family and your friends. And why? This is because they already trust you, okay? And they're most likely going to support you in your car detailing business, okay? So family and friends, they have cars and they will be willing to support you. Tell them you're going to give them an amazing deal, all right? $150, $200 for a detail, okay? Obviously, if you're charging less than $200, you're going to have to do more cars to reach that $1,000 goal. But guys, don't think about the goal. The focus is to just get clients under your belt. It's the journey. It's the process of actually building this business. We're building a real business, something that you can grow into $10,000 per month, $20,000 per month, okay? The best part about this business is you start off by washing cars, cleaning cars, okay? We're not offering paint protection, paint enhancement services, PPF installment, okay? Those are skills that you can learn as you grow the business, right? Another good thing about this business is low startup costs. The barrier to entry is so small, okay, and so easy to get into, okay? There's no reason why anybody with a bucket of soapy water and a microfiber towel and a vacuum can't do this, okay? It's super easy. Everyone knows how to clean something, right? All you need to do is just adapt it to a car, to a vehicle. Countless information out there on how to clean a vehicle. I've got other videos you can go and watch on how to actually detail a car, okay? This video is all about reframing your mindset to think about the possibility of actually what this business can do for you, okay? Because I know businesses out there, car detailing businesses that are earning multi-millions per year, okay? And they're doing PPF installment, which is paint protection film, and they're doing paint enhancement, ceramic coating services, okay? These services are high-ticket services. You can start offering, anywhere from $1,000 all the way up to $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 for these services, for one car, okay? I've got students in my group that do paint enhancement and ceramic coating services, and they charge $1,500 to $2,000, and it takes them a day, okay? There's so much potential in this business, especially with the amount of growth. Guys, look at this. The global market is projected to be $50 billion in 2030. This is growing. It's huge. More and more cars are coming on the road. More and more people understand the value in their vehicles and what it means for it to be professionally cleaned and tidy. More and more people are busy with their lives. They're too busy to wash it themselves. Most people are happy to pay a certain figure to get their cars cleaned professionally. You just need to work out the value and how to communicate that value to the client. Okay, so you got to start with your friends and families, right? You're going to get a few clients that way. The next thing you need to do is go on Facebook groups. Buy and sell groups in particular. People are already in a buying mindset inside of these groups. Join your local communities. Okay, join these groups and post about your new business. I've just launched a new car detailing business. Super excited about it. I'm in the area. If you guys need anything done, let me know. I'm your go-to. I've got a huge offer going on right now. Insane. Get in touch with me and I can send you some more info. Get their contact details. Don't advertise prices online. Don't do that. Get in touch with them. Try and get them over the phone. Close them. Schedule them in. Negotiate. Okay, just close the deal. Take photos and videos. Ensure you take photos and videos. Okay, next you can do is go on an app called Nextdoor, okay? You can join local communities within your neighborhood and advertise your business. Okay, I've got a student that does this. He receives countless leads for every post that he does. Okay, there's an opportunity. Again, try and get them over the phone. Try and get their contact details so that you can call them. Hey, my name's Aaron. Yeah, thanks for your inquiry. So I'm just calling. I just want to find out a little bit more about your car. Do you have a few minutes of your time right now? Sweet. So what's the main purpose you want to get your car cleaned? Hey, when was the last time you actually got it cleaned? Okay, ask some questions. Okay, that's interesting. When was the last time you actually had it protected with a paint protection? Any sort of wax, sealant, coating, anything like that in the last sort of few months or so? Try and dig deep. Find out the value of their car and what it means to them. Okay, and the true purpose as to why they inquired with you in the first place. Is it dirty or, is it new? Are they selling it? Okay, find out some more information, then you can, target your messaging to speak directly to them. Okay, great. Well, I've got this really good service going at the moment. It's going to take care of all those kids' messes in the back. Make sure your carpets look absolutely beautiful again. I'll clean up that coffee stain for you on the back seat. No worries. I've got special equipment that can do the job. All right, the next thing, okay, you can do, if you haven't reached your 5 clients at $200 yet, which I'm probably sure you will, is go around local businesses, okay? Local businesses in your area, the reason is that they're open for the public. You can go in, they're happy to, hear about your services, okay? You can have a conversation with them. They're not going to shut the door on you, okay? Like maybe residential businesses, residential properties would. Okay, so local businesses work really well. Real estate agencies, okay, think about lawyer firms, accounting firms, okay, professional offices. You go around just your local stores, okay, retail stores, cafes. Try and speak to the owner, okay, because normally the owner is very busy, which means they don't have time to be cleaning and detailing their own cars. They'll happily pay someone else to do it, okay. This is beneficial to them. This is a benefit, okay. Save you time by doing it. We come to you, we'll do it for you. Okay. Whenever you go around local businesses, ensure that you have all of your tools, products, and equipment with you, ready to do the car on the day. Guarantee you'll get someone wanting you to clean their car there and then. It happens all the time. Okay. That's the next thing you can do. Go around local businesses. So this is how you can make your first $1,000 with car detailing, okay? You don't need a website, you don't need paid ads, you don't need social media. It's just you reaching out to your network, okay? And then going around local businesses, explaining your services. You want to use every opportunity as an opportunity to explain your business, to subtly introduce your new business, okay? Because you never know, the person that you're speaking to may be a lead. They may be interested in using your services. Okay, if you don't speak about your business and your services, then no one's going to know about them. That's the first rule of marketing, is to actually let people know about your business. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the link in my description if you want to learn more.